PancakeSwap, currently trading at $11.96 with a market cap of about $3 billion. It's currently ranked number 50 on the list, and its ticker is Cake, C-A-K-E. But before trading using this platform, guys, what is PancakeSwap? PancakeSwap is an automated market maker AMM decentralized finance DeFi application that allows users to exchange tokens, providing liquidity via farming and earning fees in return. So let's see what markets that they're on. Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin, BitThumb, Bybit, Gate.io, Poloniex, PancakeSwap, obviously. Ascendance, EX, let's see, and so that's pretty much the biggest platforms that they're on. So you guys can trade and hodl this. They're on a lot of different platforms. Let's see about the price ratings. Their price rating is really ranked high. You're talking about in the upper 97% with a triple B. So not many cryptocurrencies get even into the B category or any of the other higher, even the A. So this cryptocurrency, if you want to know what the ratings are, like how they broke it down, just you guys can read it below. I have a link below, but if you want me to break it down, I can. Just tell me in the comments. I can make an updated video and we can talk about this more. But let's get into their news, guys. So their news is here for CoinMarketCap. You guys can go through here, but I found their news on their Twitter page. I'll get to there once we get to Twitter. So here's their website. The moon is made of pancakes. So if you guys want to find more about their platform, what NFTs or whatever cryptocurrencies you can trade, which ones you can buy, which ones you can earn, which ones you can win, please check that out, guys. Let's get to their Twitter page. Twitter page has about 1.3 million followers. Now, this is the article that I'm talking about right here. I will get to in a second, but please follow me on Twitter as Andre J. McClendon. I talk about a lot of political, business, trading stuff on my Twitter page, so please hit me up on there. But let's look at this. This is their initial farm offering, IFO 3.0 and IFO Cake Pool. So this just came out, PancakeSwap Community Opportunity for Cake holders. Today, we are proud to introduce our new initial farm offering. So when you learn more about this IFO, just come to their website or read this article. I will have it posted below. Check them out on Twitter, follow them on Twitter. So let's get to that price prediction, guys. So big view of it. Right now we're in the daily. Let's check out that monthly view, guys. Now, monthly view, it has a massive spike up to almost $50 and back down below half. Like it's at $11 now. So volatility, it is there. So that can be a good thing or a bad thing. But I just know that trading is pretty much off the table. We're going to be dollar cost averaging and doing hodling. I don't feel that it's the best. Actually, don't even feel. Just looking at the charts, it doesn't seem like the most thought out thing for trading it. If you want to short this crypto, I'm not interested in shorting this crypto because of this big buyer's point right here that possibly can kick in. Now, hodling is better on the table, so let me break that down, okay? So, first big major resistance level is currently at the $10.05 to $11.26. This is about, you don't have to be perfect with your lines, guys. Many people want to get down to the exact point. You just need a range. Understand that range. If it can hit anywhere below it or on it, above it, around there, and that's where that resistance level is. So what it's currently at, it might be heading down a little bit lower to enter this zone again. So first thing off, since it has a little bit more to go, that's about $2 down. If it hits $2 down, then that seems like a better good limit. It seems like a good buy limit zone. So instead of doing a bunch of price limits and price alerts, you can do that. But for me, I think with all this data happening here, all this information happening here, I think the best place is to do a buy limit here. And obviously managing your risk, because you don't want to put too much out there. You don't want to risk 10% of your account, 20% of your account, 30% of your account, maybe 1 to 2%. And this would be hodling, dollar cost averaging in. So the first point would be $10.77. And if it heads down a little bit lower, right here, $9. That's like the base at the bottom or near that wick that's happening over here. Now the price prediction, if it can bounce off of this low, will possibly be back at this high, be at the $14 level. Okay. So the price prediction is at $14 for If it goes up, if it heads back down and engages that $10 area, then that's going to engage my buy limit. And if it goes down lower and engage the secondary buy limit at $9 and it's like $9.77 about. Price target is about $14. It's about. So let's see what happens. Let's break this down so we can understand a little bit more. Buy limit, if it goes down and it punches through these and hits a stop loss, then I'll be out of the position, and then I can do an updated video about it going down lower. If I'm correct and it hits the first buy limit and pushes it back up, if it goes back to like the $12 or $13 level, I'm just gonna move my stop above my entry, locking in the trade, and letting the rest run. If I'm incorrect and hits my second buy limit, then if it does hit the first buy limit, second buy limit, and bounces back up, what I'm going to do is just move my stop losses like this above both entries, locking in the trade, and then letting one run. So if it hits $14, I can move my stop losses higher depending on how it hits. If it hits it slow, then or it hits it really, really fast. If it hits it slow, then I can just move both stop losses a little bit higher, locking in both trades. And then if it keeps it going, I can just steadily move the stop losses, locking in more potential profits. They'll be staggered, so if it hits one, not both. And then letting those two run. If I'm incorrect and it heads up higher, I can just do an updated video or just do price alerts. Remember, guys, plan out your trade before you enter and exit. Do price alerts if you to just protect your account. But if any question or comments about it, just drop them below. We can have that conversation, guys. But let's get to my website, andrejmcclain.com. So if you guys want to learn more about indicators and trading, or about EAs, and also my trading course, just let me know. We can have that conversation. You can look at the pricing. You guys can see how I engage and how I do it on a 30-day thing, and how we have one-on-one conversations. We can do that if you like. If you want to check out some of the contracts, all the stuff that I'm building, just let me know. Go through the website and build up some economy stuff. Go to the gold and silver. Learn more about statistical data. This will help you out when understanding long-term trends, micro and macro things of your country, and seeing how this pandemic is, since it's been over a year in it. So it help you out so you guys can understand where the focus is, what the governments are trying to do. But besides that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.